Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install Abricotine on a Chromebook. Okay, the first thing we want to do is to install Linux. To do that, we'll go to our launcher here, click on that, go to Settings, and on the left-hand side we want to find Advanced. We want to click on Advanced and that'll expand, and you should see Developers. Click on Developers, and you'll see this Linux development environment. What you want to do is turn that on. Okay, then the Linux development environment wizard will pop up. You'll click Next. You can change your username here if you want, or just use the default one they set up for you. You can change your disk size here, or use the recommended size. The disk size can be changed later on. I'm going to click Install. And that's going to take a few moments to run through and install the Linux development environment. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to expand that, and let me get the font larger so that you can see it. Okay, now I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt-get update, and then 2 ampersands for sudo apt-get dist-upgrade, and I'll do a -y here, and I'll hit enter. Okay, once the Linux development environment is enabled, we can install Abricotine. To do that, I'm going to pull up a browser here, and I'm going to go to github.com/brrd/abricotine/releases. Now I'll leave a link to this in the description. Okay, so I have an Intel-based Chromebook, so this will work for Intel or AMD-based Chromebooks. I'm going to look for the .dev file, and I'm going to download that. Once that's downloaded, I can click Show in Folder, and I can find this and right-click the .dev file and click Install with Linux, and then click Install and OK. Okay, once it's installed, I can click Launch here, or I can go here and find the icon for Abricotine. I'm going to find the icon pinned to shelf, and then I'm going to open by clicking on the icon. And here we go. We have Abricotine installed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.